Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create attribution reports in HubSpot. Attribution reports are essential for understanding which marketing efforts are actually driving results, whether that's generating contacts, closing deals, or bringing in revenue. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in using your HubSpot credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the reporting section where all your analytics and data visualization tools live. In the left navigation panel, look for the option labeled Reporting and click on it. This will expand a menu with several options. From there, click on Reports to enter the main reporting workspace. This is where you'll create and manage all your custom reports. Now, to start building your attribution report, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Create Report. This button launches the report builder and gives you access to different report types. In the left panel that appears, you'll see various report categories. Click on Attribution, as this is specifically designed to track how your marketing touchpoints contribute to conversions. Once selected, click Next in the top right corner to proceed. At this stage, you'll be presented with options for building your report. In the right panel, you can choose the data source for your attribution report. HubSpot offers several options here. You can base your report on contacts, deals, or revenue. Alternatively, if you want a quick start, there's a sample report option in the upper left of your screen that you can use as a template. For contact attribution reporting, HubSpot will prompt you to select which attribute you want to measure. This is where you decide what specific marketing element you're analyzing. You might choose to measure the type of asset, the interaction, the campaign, or the marketing channels that created the most contacts. Take a moment to select based on your specific goals and what insights matter most to your team. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. Next up is configuring how your data will be displayed. In the left sidebar, under Chart Type, you'll see several visualization options. Select the chart type that best represents your attribution data. Common choices include bar charts for comparing channels, line charts for trends over time, or donut charts for showing proportional contributions. Once you're satisfied with your report setup, you'll have the option to either save the report for ongoing use or export the unsummarized data for further analysis. Before finalizing, make sure to enter a descriptive name for your custom attribution report in the field at the top of the screen. This helps you and your team easily identify the report later. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.